Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This epoxy Shabebe resin has helped me to do many of my crafts. I really love to customize the things that I do, and I really love this epoxy because it's a self-leveling and a very high gloss and it's smooth. It's very easy to use. It's one-to-one radial. And look at all the things that I can do with this epoxy resin from Shabebe store. I have used these cups for several months now, and let me tell you, they don't go yellow, they don't have a scratch in them. And what I love about this epoxy is that it has this super clear layer. It protects all the vinyl that I put underneath, and I also use it for underplate. I wanted to be protected since it was a cardboard made. And look at it. It's resistant. I have used it many times and it leaves no scratch and I can wipe them and clean them up really easily. I was able to make this amazing 3-tire cupcake stand. I made it pink because that's what I wanted, and I added some glitter. And then look at it, it's just beautiful. It's resistant. I'm in love with all the things that I can do with this Shabebe epoxy. And that's my point of view.